Come test drive the 2019 Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 miles per gallon and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power liftgate, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control, brake assist, rear window defroster. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.